Professionals involved in the design of residential building projects in Australia. There are many professionals and stakeholders involved in residential projects. When the planning permit for a specified lot is obtained for the development, the developer hires a surveyor to survey the land features, including the surrounding site. They specify the lot's own and its overlays with the context of the area. The land surveyor determines the property lines, neighbouring houses' lands, the location of the easement, existing pathways, trees, poles, its and drainage locations in a site plan drawing. If required, the bushfire level attack bar is also determined. She also draws the contour lines for the land, which can be submitted to the architect or building designer for architectural design. The architect prepares the design intent, the form of the structure, the ground floor plan, elevation views, sections, details, and doors, windows schedule in consultation with the developer and according to building regulations and codes. The architect considers the circulation and movement of the residents in a house, the aesthetics, lighting, and the level of comfort. She defines the green and blue spaces in a house, its connection with the neighbors and the neighborhood, accessibility stairs, paths, parking, etc., and sustainability. She optimizes the spaces and form of the building to have the highest amount of natural light and ways to reduce heating and cooling water energy needs. He considers means to harvest rainwater, stormwater, and use it for irrigation and flushing. An energy specialist does energy analysis and prepares a report for the energy ratings. When the architect prepares the final architectural drawings, it is time to prepare the geotechnical engineering and arborist's reports. The geotechnical engineer gets the soil samples from the site and prepares the soil profile. The soil profile shows graphically the existing soil layers types and their depths for each sample spot. She does a sieve analysis and calculates the bearing capacity of the soil. He then recommends the foundation depth and ways to improve the soil. On the other hand, the arborist who specializes in trees prepares the report for all the existing and the trees to be planted. The report shows the types of trees, their sizes, health, and their projected effects on the building structure. He consults with the architect and the structural engineer on the location of trees, relocations, and removal of the trees. Besides, when the reports and the architectural drawings are prepared and finalized, the documents are handed to structural and civil engineers. The structural engineer prepares the structural drawings based on the architectural drawings. The design package for a residential project includes the general notes, the roof layout, sections, connection details, bracing layout, foundation plan, and details. The design is based on Australian standards and common commercial products available in the market. The designer has sound knowledge and experience of the existing construction methods and materials. Furthermore, the engineer documents all the computations for the project in computation documents. The designer can read the architectural drawings well and has a sound engineering judgment. He assures the designs are based on engineering principles and his engineering judgment and is safe and cost-effective. The design drawings are reviewed by a registered engineer, and if acceptable, he signs and issues the certificate of design. Finally, the design package for a residential building is complete, and it is time to submit it to the building surveyor. The building surveyor reviews all the documents and drawings and checks it with the local council regulations and building codes. He ensures the design in terms of safety, accessibility, and energy requirements. If something is to be changed or added, he sends an email to the professionals within and a request for information. Everyone needs to do his or her duty and reply to the building surveyor. Once it is approved, the building surveyor seeks building permits and the local council approval for the project. Finally, if the building surveyor approves the design documents, it is then time to hire a builder to build your house. In the next session, I will present you the construction process step by step and the professionals' treatise involved. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. Meanwhile, I wish you all the best and hope to see you again.